Welcome back to Code Quest Chronicles. Last time we explored how to make Python repeat actions with loops. Today we'll teach Python how to make decisions, just like we do when checking the weather. In real life, we make choices all the time based on conditions. For example, if it's raining, we stay inside. Else, if it's not raining, we go outside and play. Python can do this kind of decision making too, using if and else. In Python, we use a variable like raining as described below to store whether something is true or false. Then we write if raining equals true, print stay inside. This tells Python if raining is true, run the code under if. Before Python makes decisions, it needs to compare values. We use special symbols called comparison operators for that. These are equals, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than equal to. Python uses these to decide which path to take next. Sometimes you need a backup plan, an otherwise path. In Python, that's else. Here, we check if raining is true. If it is, Python stays inside. Otherwise, meaning else, Python goes out to play. Else run when the if condition is false. What if there are more than two possibilities? That's when we use Elif, short for else if. Python checks each condition in order. For example, if it's sunny, it says to wear sunglasses. Elif checks if it's cloudy. If yes, bring a jacket. Otherwise, else, we take an umbrella for rain. Elif helps Python handle multiple options in a single decision block. Time to test what you have learned. If temp is 20, what will Python print? Think carefully. Is temp greater than 25? Is temp greater than or equal to 15? Or does it hit the else part? Choose your answer. Then see if you got it right. The correct answer is perfect weather for a walk. Great job! You just taught Python how to think and make choices, just like we do in real life. Now Python can decide what to do next based on a conditions. And guess what? You have come so far in this series. In the next video, we'll wrap up this beginner series with a fun mini project where you will use everything you have learned to build your own little Python game. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Code Quest Chronicles so that we can keep learning together.